Oh hey guys, right now I'm Good morning from Delhi, Paharganj. So right now I'm going for my exam. The time is around 7:30 in the morning. I have to report at the exam station at 9:15 a.m. So I'm going to Sarita Bihar Metro station. I have never been there. So let me go there. So let's go to the metro station first. Look at this beautiful morning. Here in the middle ground is where we'll stand. Let go. The New Delhi railway station. Okay, I reached the metro station. So let me go and buy the ticket. I have reached my metro station and I'm going to the exam center right now. This is actually a really very new place to me. I hope my exam goes well. So see you guys after the exam. I'm in Lajpat Nagar metro station. So I'm going to metro station Nizammudin, something like that. It is cold there, but I am sick. Doesn't seems like the normal metro station. Right now I'm in South Delhi, Seven Wonders of the World Park. It is a newly constructed park, and I heard that these Seven Wonders monuments are all created from the waste materials. It was a project taken up by South Delhi Municipal Council, and I'll give the Google Map link for this park in the description box below. So check it out there. Right now I am in Delhi West to Wonder Park. It is a newly constructed park, guys. So I'll show you. And I don't know where I should go. One thing I want to say about beauty of this park is it is all made up from the waste material from cars, pipes, tires, etc. So here is the link to our office. Today is really very hot here in Delhi. So in front of me there is the Eiffel Tower. Let me show you. I'm out of love, but I guess I deserved it. Trying to hide, to pass you by. I'm getting down, feeling fine. It's really very hot today, but the place is not nice, I would say. In the middle of the city. I'm falling up, I'm falling down, from the sky and from the ground. Up above just like below, and I don't know where I should go. 'Cause I'm stuck in limbo. I would say the concept of this garden is great. We need to save the environment. So I'm going back to Chandigrah. Bye bye for today.